Now let's learn about the chain rule. If the function is a composite function and we need to get the derivative of this composite function, so we can use the chain rule to differentiate. And we can use this notation to represent the derivative of this composite function, dy over dx. And dy over dx equals dy over d mu times d mu over dx. And dy over d mu, it means the derivative of outer function. And the d mu over dx means derivative of inner function. For example, if y equals the cube of the sum of 3x squared and x, and we need to get the derivative of y. So we need to let mu equals 3x squared plus x, and let y equals mu cubed. And this function, we call it order function. This function, we call it inner function. According to this formula, so y prime equals derivative of mu cubed times derivative of 3x squared plus x. So y prime equals 3 mu squared times 6x plus 1. But this is not the final result, because mu equals 3x squared plus x. We need to substitute this equation back into here. So y prime equals 3 the square of the sum of 3x squared and x times 6 squared plus 1. So this is the final result. So if we want to differentiate the composite function, we need to differentiate a function of a function. We need to get the derivative of outer function times the derivative of inner function. And then we need to substitute this expression back into here. So this is the final result. So this is the all content about for rules and the chain rule. Class is over. See you next time. Thank you.